So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason Apple Music is just not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons out there, but the number one reason why this ends up not working for you is because of some internet issue. So first of all, just double check your internet connection, double check your Wi-Fi connection, whatever you have. All you want to do is go and double check all those connections that you have on your device, because that in and of itself is going to be the number one problem that you're running into. So once you go and double check your internet connection and your Wi-Fi connection, everything, you can then go ahead and open up Apple Music, and that might end up working for you if you just make your way over to the app. If it says that you're offline or something like that, that basically means that you have airplane mode on or you need to connect to Wi-Fi. Now that may also mean that your service, you may not even be signed into Apple Music. So that might be the other thing. Now, if none of those things seem to be the issue, the other thing you can try doing is try restarting your iPhone. So try going through and hold down the volume up button and the side button at the same time until your iPhone gets into the slide to power off button. And then you can simply just slide to power off your iPhone. And that could very well end up fixing the problem for you too. Again, not a guarantee, but that might end up fixing it for, some people out there. If that's still not working, the thing you have to remember with Apple Music is that it basically gets updated with your phone. So if you haven't updated your iPhone in a very long amount of time, well then Apple Music is pretty much going to be outdated. So what you're going to want to do here is you want to basically update your iPhone. So you can do this by making your way over to your iPhone settings, just like this. You want to scroll over into your general settings, which is right here. And then you want to click on software update, which is right up there. And all you're going to want to do here is basically just software update your particular iPhone. And for a lot of people, once again, that's probably all you're going to have to do. If that's still not working, you may want to see exactly what the issue is. If it's Apple Music, like for some reason Apple Music's just completely not working at all, it might be because Apple servers are down. So you can go to downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com. One of those types of websites that will basically show you what's up and what's down. And maybe from there, you're just going to have to kind of wait it out until they fix the problem. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.